Hey guys, it's Mia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making DIY Christmas slime gifts. I am so excited for this video. This is going to be awesome. Sorry if my voice is a bit scratchy. I have a cold. So first we got this cute little slime jar, chalkboard labels to put around them, and it's going to say slime. The chalk for the chalkboard labels. Christmas colored ribbon to go around here. Christmas colored gems to attach to the ribbon. Also little bells to attach to the ribbon. So that's what we have for the package. And the slime, we are going to use glue, shaving cream, peppermint essential oil to make it smell good, snow flown balls for in the slime, little fishbowl beads, Christmas colored paint, borax. That is all the stuff you're gonna need, but also use a bunch of different Christmas items for the package. Like I might get one of those Hershey Kisses over there because they're all Christmas colored, and I might glue one to the top of it because I'm giving them out for gifts and I just want it to be super Christmassy and super cute. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to get my bowl to make the slime. Let's pour the glue in here. Okay, that should be about good. Next we're going to put some shaving cream. Okay, I'm going to start mixing that up. Perfect. Next, I'm going to put my essential oil. It is peppermint. I want it to give it a nice Christmas scent because, you know, it's Christmas slime. So I'm just going to put a few drops of that in. Okay, that should be good. Oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so good. Next, I'm going to put in the activator. Okay. I don't think I put enough borax in the water, so this might take a while. It's starting to get less sticky, but it's still sticky, but it's starting to get less sticky, so that's better. You guys, this is such a good batch of slime that I'm making right now. I don't know why it's such a good batch of slime, but it just is. I think it's because I didn't put a lot of borax in the water, and it took me a long time to knead it. It usually doesn't take me that long, but it is such good slime, and it's so glossy and fluffy, and it's amazing. I'm just gonna add a little bit more borax to it. Oh, this slime is so good. Now I'm going to separate it, part of it red, part of it green, and then leave the other part white. Okay, so first I'm going to make this one green. Okay guys, we got the green. Next I'm going to make the red. You guys, look how perfect it is. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more red to it because it looks a little bit pink. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna wash my hands so I don't get the white slime pink or green. Okay, now I think I'm going to add a little bit of the snow to the white slime. Get some of the snow out. I hope this works. I hope it doesn't, like, I don't know, not work. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, I might add a couple more. I love the smell. Perfect. It's perfect. So we got the snow slime for the white. And next I'm going to put a little bit of the fishbowl in the red and green slime. Just gonna dab it in the fishbowl. Oh my gosh, it is so satisfying. Perfect. Perfect fishbowl slime. I'm gonna get a little bit of the green. I'm gonna add a little bit of fishbowl. Yeah, I'm gonna add the fishbowl to the green too. Okay, perfect. Now we have the green fishbowl slime, the red fishbowl slime, and the white snow slime. Next, we are going to get one of our little cute containers. Okay, first I'm going to put the green in. Gonna make sure you pat it all the way down to the bottom. Perfect, we have the green in. Next, we are putting the white snow. Perfect. Next, the red fishbowl. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, you guys, I added a little bit too much of the green and the white. So the next one, I'm going to add less of the green and white so you can see the red more. But it is still so cute. The red. I put the red in first this time. We're not gonna do the snow white. We're just gonna put it in just how it is. And then we're gonna put the snow on the top. Yes, that is a great idea. Green. Perfect, it is so cute. Oh, and it smells so pepperminty. I am going to get a couple of the snow and just sprinkle it on top. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is adorable. You guys, look how cute the little snow looks. Oh my gosh, this is so cute already. The lid. Awesome. You guys, look how cute this is. I love it. You guys, these are so cute. I love them. And they're not even done decorated. Now we're going to make a candy cane one, so we're not going to put any of the green. We're just going to do red and white. I'm going to sprinkle some of the snow on top. Look how cute. Okay, so next we are just going to do a red and green one because I'm all out of the white and I want to do a red and green one. I want to make this super crunchy. Why? Because I want to. Perfect, we got the crunchy green snow. And you guys, you can also add glitter in these slimes. I didn't want to because I don't know why. I honestly just kind of forgot. I'm gonna put the crunchy slime in first. And the red slime. Oh, I gotta add some snow to this too. Oops. Oh my gosh, this is so crunchy. Perfect. Okay, let's see if I can add the rest of this. It's probably not going to be enough room, so let me take a little bit off. You guys, I love this slime so much. It feels so good. I love them all so much. Next, we're going to start decorating the packages. I'm so excited for this part. First, let's see, what should I do first? First, I'm going to get the little chalkboard labels. Oh my gosh, so cute already. Let's see, what do I want on here? I'm gonna put a red gem. I think I'm gonna put on a red and green gem. Put on 2 gems, and then a couple bells. You guys, look at it. It's so cute. Now I'm gonna see if I can put the red or green, probably the red, over the blue. I feel like that will just look good. Look at the little ribbon. Oh my gosh, the ribbon is so cute. Okay. I'm gonna write slime on the little chalkboard thing. Oh my gosh, this is so cute! Look at it! You guys, this is so perfect. I love it. Okay guys, so I finished this one, but I still have one final touch that I want to put on them. At the end, I'm going to decorate the 3 other ones before I do that. So let's put fast motion on. Okay, you guys, I have finished decorating these, and now I'm going to put on the last final touch. What are you doing? Did you guys just see him open the gate? What are you doing, City Boy? Okay, guys, here are the little slime packages. They are so adorable. Now I'm going to be putting the final touches on them. Hershey Kisses! I'm going to be gluing them to the top. Little patch on here. Perfect. Just gonna hold that on there. Guys, ask for a parent's permission when using the hot gun. Yay, they're glued on and it is perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys try these out for some Christmas gifts. They were so much fun to make. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I feel like it's going to be so long because I've been filming this for hours and I just realized how long it took me. Oh my gosh, this took me forever, but it was worth it because it is so cute. So comment down below if you enjoyed the video, Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye. Subscribe.